In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Rapido app on Android. If you want a quick way to book a bike taxi, auto, or cab, and even send a small parcel in select cities, getting the Rapido app on your phone only takes a moment. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. This is the trusted place to safely download apps on Android. You'll usually find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Before you begin, it's helpful to have a stable internet connection and a bit of free storage space so the download goes smoothly. Once you're in the Play Store, tap the search bar at the top and type Rapido, or the full title Rapido Bike Taxi Auto and Cabs. You might see several results, so make sure you're selecting the official app. Look for the listing published by Rapido Bike Taxi. Checking the developer name is a simple way to avoid lookalike apps and ensures you're installing the genuine, secure version. You can also glance at the rating and reviews for extra confidence you've got the right one. When you found the correct listing, tap it to open the app page, then tap Install. The Play Store will begin downloading the app and you'll see a progress indicator. If you're on mobile data, keep in mind that app downloads use your data plan. Connecting to Wi-Fi can be a good idea if you want to save data or speed things up. If your device says you're low on space, clearing a little storage before trying again can help. After the download completes, the Play Store will automatically install the app. When it's ready, you'll see an Open button. Go ahead and tap Open to launch Rapido right away. If you prefer, you can also find the new icon in your app drawer or on your home screen later. If you ever notice that the button says Update or Open instead of Install, that simply means Rapido is already on your device and you can open it directly or update to the latest version. Inside the app, Rapido supports several convenient services: quick bike taxi booking for zipping through traffic, comfortable auto rides, regular cab rides, and parcel delivery in some cities. Availability can vary by location, so once the app is open, you'll be able to see what's offered in your area. That's it, simple, fast, and secure. You've just learned how to download the Rapido app on Android. Enjoy the ride options, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.